Amir is a gifted child who was born with a light in his eyes. He sees things beyond the reach of ordinary people. In Amir's world, mythical creatures live quietly among mortals. Dragons, giants, birds, and fairies that protect the village. These creatures, unseen by most, slip through the veil between worlds roaming in the earth and interacting with Amir. However, the villagers do not believe Amir when he tells them about the creatures. Not even his father, Ali, whom he shared a moving bond. Ali wishes that Amir would learn the ways of the world, rather than getting lost in myth and legends. His mother, Lucia, is forgiving and supportive of his son, exploit and called him my prince. One day, an old man reveals to Amir that he sees the creatures, to that the lake is a portal to the underworld where the mythical being live. The old man added that not all the beings are good and some malevolent forces will soon emerge to wreak havoc among the grounds. Amir rushes to warn the town of the impending catastrophe. The entry is a fantasy drama film from GMA Pictures with Sig Dulay as a director. The film stars Dennis Trillo, Will Ashley, and Glyza De Castro. Asghar Aspirant as Amir, and Mr. Ricky Lee and Anjali Atienza as the scriptwriter. Amir. So the movie title is Amir.
Congratulations to GMA Films and the movie Amir! Tawagin po natin sa entablado ang cast members at ang production team ng pelikulang Amir to receive the plaque to be presented by FMDA and Mayor Nenchi Abalos.